Good afternoon. My name is Francois Degard. My senior project is MC Squared, peer-to-peer based network masquerading for mission-critical clouds. This video will discuss how to install, maintain, and modify the software for the next iteration of this project. To start, you would want to go to the GitHub page of the Mission Critical Cloud project. The README file of this GitHub page is basically like the installation user guide that can be found included with the final documentation. The very first thing you want to do in order to install the Mission Critical Cloud software is to clone the repository onto one of your hosts. A pre-installed XMPP server is required to successfully run the MC Squared software. Included in Mission Critical Cloud is a script that installs the XMPP server for you. However, at the moment this script is buggy and doesn't work as intended. So in order to get around this, I have included instructions on how to install XMPP server inside the installation and user guide. Once you've SSH'd into your virtual machine, you want to make sure you have GitHub installed. You can install GitHub using this command, sudo apt-get install git. Afterwards, you can clone the GitHub directory into the root directory of your virtual machine. Once the installation is complete, you should change directory into the IPOP folder inside the code directory. The files inside this directory do most of the heavy lifting required for the Mission Critical Cloud. Many of them are required to be executable in order for the software to run successfully. In order to run the software, simply execute x.sh. Running x.sh starts the IPOP service and waits for a connection. For debugging purposes, x.sh was meant to not close the output into a separate log file, but instead to show it to you as the system was running.